Hi guys. So I order for myself. Actually, he ordered. He's not just my driver. Milan, my husband. He ordered for me this gift already. It's a filter coffee machine. Actually, it's big, like not giant, but just the size is not small. Husky, husky. I saw husky dog like breed. I really adore husky, um, Hachiko, Akita, the Japanese one, which is it? Corgi, all of these like Asian breeds. I love them. I love them. They're so cute and intelligent, of course. Oh my gosh, my blood pressure, by the way, is already whoa down the level because I'm hungry already. Um, because have reason why I'm hungry because every morning in principle I eat really uh little, not many like food. No, I'm not on diet in principle. I'm not. Maybe before some years I was in try uh to be on diet and it wasn't easy. Actually it was absolutely hard to gain weight and like I fast complete my diet when I have diet. So of course I don't eat too much already. And for real, I have my limits, my personal limits absolutely. When we speak for eating food. But before I was like some mukbanger, believe me, like real ASMR person. I I I ate then in the past, really in the past, very many food, like quantity was like crazy. And after that, my kilograms was so much, too much, not so much. So after this ordering of my absolutely new stuff in form of filter coffee machine will be, how I said already in my earlier vlog for today, will be gift for my birthday, which will be in this Sunday from his side. Now we will go in Lidl store market, yep, to buy some products like sweet potatoes or to say batata, of course coffee, maybe coffee beans. I will check what have in principle just to prepare myself for new machine. Eventually, if I don't like the coffee beans like products, I will not take nothing. And we must buy eventually if have turkey, turkey, you know that bird, right? And chicken meat, like fillet for our daughter Diana, because sometimes she must to eat protein like meat. She have 9 months, so and she also have her first teeth already. Yeah. Okay, I will not take my bag. I don't have need of my bag because today Mila will pay. Yep. Имаш ли 5 динара за svaki slučaj? За колица. A u stvari, nemoj, unutra ima onej drški sa... Pa rekla sam ti. Кафу, месо, батата. За Диана.
Да, tomu rok, dva dana.
Ще да видимо какво има. Danas je trebao da jede sa mesom, a nema. Evo ima ova mala. Da, gotovo. Flour. A, uzmi mi hljeba pošto imam vrlo malo. Ovi gore proteinski. U stvari ovi ispod da probam. Ajde sa semenkama. Manje taj. Prvi. Malo idu guljasti. Ovi gore se nešto mnogo uroni. Ukusan je ovo. Uzmi rukavica da ide. Pa imaš rukavica. Bread with seeds. Uzmi 3 srednje batata. Koliko su sad? Čekaj. Ajoj, 25. Uzmi 2 velike, ajde. Samo. Ima. Ja da idem da vidim kafu.
Otvaramo kasu broj 3. Molimo vas postavite robu za kupovinu na pragu kase i pripremite svoju Lidl Plus aplikaciju za dodatne uštede i brojne pogodnosti.
So guys, I find for filter machine for coffee espresso gold of Belarus. Rich and intense. I will take this one for my machine just to be ready. And also crema. When I want to prepare fast coffee, I use crema again of Belarus brand instant coffee. And let me to see, did they have turkey or chicken meat? I find turkey fillet. Let me see. So I search actually for chicken fillet.
Poštovani kupci, možemo kasu broj 6. Molimo vas postavite ruku za kupovinu na traku kase i pripremite svoju ligu plus aplikaciju za dodatne uštede i brojne pogodnosti.
Like this. Actually, here half on pieces. It's just perfect. Let me see. Uh, no. I don't like. I will say why. Because okay, I'm fine. I'm really fine. I must find Milan. Where is he? I don't know. He just leaves me. I will kill him. Who knows where is he? Oh, I really don't like sometimes to be with him in the market because I just, yeah, I find him. Because I just can't to find him. Wow, rice balls. Gdje odiš ti bremote nađem kad pobegnu od meni. I pa sam našao kiletina malo drugačiji do 12. Cake in form of heart. And this one, Saint Valentine is here. This one is chocolate rose. Oh, sriracha. Very expensive. This is really crazy. But sriracha is really spicy, very good sauce. I love sriracha. Šta si gledao? Hoćeš da uzmemo kore za lazanja? Nisu skupi. Da prave lazanje. Nećeš, dobra je. Kupuj.
Prskavo, mirisno, sveže. To je Lidlova pekara. Uz svežu ponudu peciva koje se peče tokom cijelog dana.
А?
Време да поставиш на кафе и
Айде. Па ја могу и да тркнем. Изволи. So guys, thanks for watching this vlog. Enjoy watching this video and see you next time.